Introducing the brand new game-changing innovation in home garment care, our Eurosteam Duet 2-in-1 iron with patented 180 degrees rotary head. Imagine a world where one device does the job of two, where the power of steam and the precision of ironing combine to create the ultimate garment care solution. Our Eurosteam Duet is here to revolutionize your laundry routine with its seamless switch between a potent iron and a versatile garment steamer. Are you tired of struggling with different appliances for ironing and steaming? Say goodbye to the hassle and clutter because our revolutionary Eurosteam Duet does it all. With a simple twist of the handle, you can seamlessly switch between a powerful iron and a versatile garment steamer. The secret lies in our patented 180-degree rotary head. This transformative feature allows you to smoothly transition from ironing to steaming without the need for multiple appliances. The Eurosteam Duet isn't just a two-in-one powerhouse, it's also designed with your convenience in mind. Its sleek, user-friendly design makes it easy to maneuver, so you can say goodbye to the struggles of traditional irons and steamers. But the true beauty of the Eurosteam Duet lies in its effectiveness. Whether you're tackling deeply set wrinkles or refreshing your garments, our Eurosteam Duet penetrates fabric fibers with ease, releasing wrinkles and lint. And the best part? We stand behind the quality and durability of our Eurosteam Duet with a 1-year limited warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. Upgrade your garment care routine with the ultimate two-in-one solution. With the Eurosteam Duet 2-in-1 iron, you're not just buying an appliance, you're investing in a revolution. A revolution that will transform the way you care for your clothes. No more struggling, no more clutter. Just effortless ironing and steaming all in one sleek, user-friendly package. It's time to experience the future of garment care. Discover a smarter way to iron and steam with the Eurosteam Duet. Order one today.